Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshake powder. This simple, homemade recipe is the only way you'll want to prepare your favorite sweet treat from now on. We'll cover everything from essential ingredients to perfect storage, ensuring a delicious and consistent base every time. Get ready to elevate your milkshake game with this easy-to-follow guide. To begin, you will need a few key ingredients. Start with 2 cups of powdered milk, which forms the creamy base of our powder. Next, add 1 cup of granulated sugar for that perfect level of sweetness. Finally, include 1/2 cup of your chosen flavor powder, such as cocoa for chocolate or strawberry powder for a fruity twist.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to mix them. Combine the powdered milk, sugar, and flavor powder in a large bowl. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the mixture is completely uniform and there are no lumps. This ensures a smooth milkshake every time. Store your finished powder in an airtight container, and it will stay fresh for up to 3 months. Now for the best part, making a delicious milkshake. For a single serving, combine 1/4 cup of your homemade powder with 1 cup of cold milk in a blender. Blend until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy. For an extra rich treat, feel free to add a scoop of ice cream or some fresh fruit. Enjoy your perfect milkshake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.